You have to get it going perpendicular to the hill.
Roll yours the other way if you can. Think we could ride it down? Just kind of like get it on that hill a little more?
No.
You'd probably get splinters in your bum.
Let's put it on the sled and do it.
Yeah, good call.
Okay.
Okay, this is gonna work. Okay, it's on.
Brittany, it's gonna...
Why are we doing this?
For the safety of others and
Oh, I
ourselves.
broke a hole in it!
We can tape it up. Let's roll it off. We'll roll it off. How big? Oh, you can tape it up. A lot of duct tape. It'll be okay.
Now what? We're stuck with a log.
Well, let's roll it down the hill.
How are we gonna roll it down the hill? It doesn't roll.
Shove.
Turn it that way.
Are you taking a video?
Sure I am.
Okay, what should I do?
You have 8 minutes and 15 seconds to get it down the hill.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Oh, here we go. Okay, we're good.
If you just get it over that hump, it will probably go.
This is the fattest log ever.
Avanti! Let it go. Alright, now we should be able to roll it this way.
Where's it gonna go?
Is that it? Oh, I'm dizzy.
Okay, you're down to 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
I don't think we're gonna be able to turn it.
Flip it end over end. Take that end right there
Thank you.
Pick it up.
and flip it. If you flip it one time end over end, then maybe it'll roll down the rest of the hill.
I don't know if we'll be able to.
It's really heavy.
I like how I'm not helping.
No,
Too heavy?
it's kind of heavy.